hell are they?
Bugsy Siegel, federal marshals have a warrant for your arrest.
I don't know anybody of that name either here or anywhere else.
Benjamin Siegel. I have a warrant for your arrest and a court order directing me to transport you across state lines and deliver you to the proper authorities in the county of Los Angeles and the state of California.
What's the charge?
Homicide.
Hey, Bugsy, is it true that Harry Greenberg was your best friend? Come on, Bugsy. Why'd you kill your best friend?
Is it true that Harry Greenberg was going to testify against all your friends?
Siegel, come on, give us a statement.
I only got two things to say. First, the name is Ben. That's Benjamin, as in the Bible. And second, I'll see all of you at the opening of the Flamingo on Christmas Day. Okay?
Step back.